Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie Mermaid, and this month we are celebrating Tim Burton. All our cosplays throughout the month of October are inspired by Tim Burton, and today we did Miss Spider from James and the Giant Peach, and here's how we did it. So begin with, Miss Spider has very thin eyebrows. I have never blocked my eyebrows before in my life, so we started by gluing them down. I just used a normal prick stick. And then I used white face paint. I got all of my stuff from Amazon, and I'll probably put it in the link below. And we just used a wet blender sponge. Put it all over our face. Occasionally we used a brush. We then used a makeup palette, again, that I got from Amazon, and also some brushes, and we used a purple shade on the eyelids. And then we used liquid eyeliner and just filled it in. We then used black eyeshadow with a really thin brush and put it across our cheekbones. And then we contoured our nose. She has a really thin nose, so we just made it look as skinny as we could. We then began to draw in our eyebrows using a liquid eyeliner. And then we filled in our lips with black face paint. I wasn't happy with the initial lips. I felt that they were too big, and I did this live on Twitch, and my very kind friend Katie pointed out that she has very small lips. So we did correct this later on, and you will see that. I put the contacts in the bathroom because I find it difficult to do it on stream. And then after I pulled my eyelids down, I noticed that I had removed some of the makeup, so we put that in again. I then put fake eyelashes on. Again, these are really dramatic eyelashes from Amazon. We put them on the top, and also we put them on the bottom. I use liquid latex to actually stick them on because it acts like eyelash glue. Here I'm just correcting the lips. I just wanted to make them look a little bit smaller, so I just took a makeup wipe and wiped them off, and then filled in the white again using my small makeup brush. Just trying to make it dry quicker. We then used our beauty blender to blend it out. And then we filled in the little gaps that were missing. Like a fish. We then put on our hairnet, again from Amazon. I already had the stripy top. I think it was from New Look about 5 years ago. You just need a stripy top. I also got the scarf from Amazon. I wasn't sure how to tie it, so I just put it into a triangle piece, folded it over, and then I tied it around my neck. We then put our black wig on, again from Amazon. And we put on a green beret, again from Amazon. The contacts are from a company called Crazy Lenses in the UK, but there are a bunch of contact shops that you can use. And these are cat eyes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Halloween.